Hey guys, this is Haro and Michael with the Haro Group, and today we want to talk to you about our Builder Trade-In program, which is just an incredible opportunity to be able to move forward on buying a new home, which is one of the best things right now. Is as resale inventory is low, new homes have really filled that gap, and obviously having a home that's not pre-owned has a lot of value to a lot of people. So how does it work, man? Like if I've got a home and if I own a home and I want to talk to you about this builder trade-in program so I can trade in my home and move on. How does that work?
Yeah, absolutely. So we have three different options essentially if you own a home and you're wanting to buy new construction. One is we can actually purchase it from you as a guaranteed purchase. We can talk a lot more about that, but essentially it's very little hassle. You can move straight forward into a new construction home, not even have to put your home on the market. Another option is if you want to keep your home as an investment property, we can take care of all that for you and get you into your new home and also take care of all the front side of things to get a tenant in there for you for free. The other option, the third option for you if you're wanting to buy a new construction, you have a home, is we can still put your home on the market, sell it, but we do it at a significantly reduced commission, so saving you several thousands of dollars, being able to move from your resale home into your new construction home. So either way, saving you a ton of money and a lot of less hassle.
So on the guaranteed purchase, is that like at more of a wholesale price instead of a retail price?
It is, yeah. Okay. So it's not going to be for everybody, but there are a lot of situations where it's exactly the perfect fit.
So we can just buy. We have investors, and in some cases we just buy the property.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then is it when there's listed for a reduced fee, not our full fee, but reduced fee, does anything change about the level of service that we give?
Nope, we don't cut any corners. We do everything that we typically do: professional photography, professional staging, all the marketing. We don't cut any corners. You're just saving a lot of money.
Yep. And then what if I'm in a lease?
It's a great point. So the other option of the program is if someone is leasing a house or apartment, we allow you to be able to work within the confines of your lease to make it much more financially affordable to be able to move forward in new construction and move out of your current situation. Still, like I said, operating within the confines of your lease, but saving you a ton of money and being able to move forward in new construction on your own timing.
So basically you're saying there's some creative solutions that we can pursue if someone's in a lease that wouldn't allow them to close on some, like if they're still in lease for another 9, 12 months, 15 months, there's some creative options.
If you're in a lease, give us a call and we'll have that conversation.
Yeah, so if I have any questions about either of these, how do I get in touch with you? That sounds awesome.
Yep, you can email me at Michael@the Group, MICHAEL, or you can call me at 864-334-8717, or you can call our office at 864-312-6424 and ask for Michael Johnson with the Builder Trade-In Program.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
Yeah, looking forward to it. Saving you money.